Hello students, are you ready? I am going to explain magnetic field at the axis of current carrying circular loop. Let a current carrying circular loop of radius A as shown in figure with the center O and current I, that is a anti-clockwise. According to Weierstrass law, magnetic field due to the current carrying element at the axis of loop dV equal to mu naught upon 4 pi I dl sin theta upon r square, where theta equal to 90, angle between the current carrying element and line joining to the P from the current element. Therefore, dV equal to mu naught upon 4 pi I dl sin 90 upon r square, dV equal to mu naught upon 4 pi I dl by r square. Now dV can resolve into two components, and the direction of the vector dV in the plane of paper at right angle to the r, this. Therefore, this is phi, this is 90, then this will be also phi. This vector dV can resolve into two components along the axis dV sin phi and at right angle to the axis dV cos phi. dV sin phi along the axis of the loop, and second component dV cos phi at right angle to the axis of loop. Due to the complete loop, dV cos phi diametrically equivalent opposite cancel to each other, and the dV sin phi along the axis will be added up. Therefore, we can say the resultant magnetic field at P, line integral dV sin phi, that mu naught upon 4 pi I dl r square. This is the value of dV sin phi, where sin phi in the figure, sin phi equal to perpendicular upon hypotenuse A by r. Therefore, mu naught upon 4 pi line integral total mu I upon r square A by r into dl, mu naught upon 4 pi I A by r cube, these are constant. dl means circumference. This total integral dl means circumference of this circular loop, that is 2 pi a, where a is the radius. V equal to mu naught upon 4 pi I a by r cube into 2 pi a. V equal to mu naught upon 2 pi cancel, 2 to the 4, I a cube upon r cube, where r equal to a square root of a square plus x square, and right angle triangle. This, therefore, b equal to mu naught I a square upon 2 a square plus x square 3 by 2. Put the value of r in this. If P lies at the center of the loop, if point P lies at the center of the loop, then x becomes 0. V equal to mu naught I upon 2a. If the coil has n turns, then V equal to mu naught by 2 n I square upon a square plus x square 3 by 2. Vector V directed along the axis of the coil. At the center of the coil, x equal to 0, v equal to mu naught by 2 n I by a square. At the center of the coil, v equal to mu naught n I upon 2a. variation of magnetic field with X. This means along the axis. This is a variation of magnetic field along the X axis. Now all of you complete this. Write down in your copy. Now come on next heading. Magnetic field at the center of circular magnetic field at the center of circular current carrying circular loop. Current carrying circular loop. This is current element ideal. This is the center O. This B. This current I. Let radius of a current carrying circular loop B A and B A B and current I. The by Biot-Savart's law, magnitude of magnetic field at center of loop due to small current element dl dV equal to mu naught upon 4 pi ideal sin theta upon r square, where theta equal to 90 angle between current element to the line joining joining the center O to the current element. Therefore, dV equal to mu naught upon 4 pi ideal sin 90 upon r square. Therefore, dV equal to mu naught upon 4 pi ideal by r square. Due to entire loop means due to the total loop, b equal to total integral mu naught upon 4 pi ideal upon a square dl. A square, a is radius, a or square, a r equal to a radius. You may be write here also a square ideal b equal to mu naught upon 4 pi I by a square dl. V equal to mu naught upon 4 pi I by a square dl means 2 pi a, that is total circumference of circular loop. B equal to mu naught I upon 2a. Upward to plain paper. If coil has n turns, then V equal to mu naught n I upon 2a. Come on again from the beginning. Magnetic field at the center of current carrying circular loop. Let the radius of a current carrying circular loop be a, and current I in loop by Biot-Savart law. Magnitude of magnetic field at the center of the loop due to the small current element ideal b dv equal to mu naught upon 4 pi ideal sin theta upon a square, where a is the radius of circular loop, theta is the angle between the current element, means in the direction of the current element, to the lining joining the center O to the current element, means this line. Therefore, dv equal to mu naught upon 4 pi ideal sin 90 upon a square. dv equal to mu naught upon 4 pi ideal a upon a square. Do the entire loop mu naught total integral mu naught upon 4 pi ideal upon a square. b equal to mu naught upon 4 pi I by a square. These are constant. And total integral dl means circumference. This is the total circumference, that is 2 pi a. V equal to mu naught I upon 4 pi a square. V equal to mu naught I upon 2a. Upper to plane paper. If coil has n turns, then V equal to mu naught n I. Note point: if current clockwise, then magnetic field downward to plane paper, and if current in loop anti-clockwise, then magnetic field upward to plane paper. Second note point, the magnetic field at center due to current carrying arc dV equal to mu naught upon 4 pi I ds sin 90 upon a square, dV equal to mu naught upon 4 pi I by a dl by a, arc upon radius, that is theta, dV equal to mu naught upon 4 pi I by a, this theta, where theta is in radian.